In this video, I'm going to show you 3 things that I personally look for when I'm going into a trade. Usually when I'm trading, I go by a rule, and it's if I don't have more than 3 confirmations as to why I'm going into a long position or a short position, I do not take that trade. Now, before we actually dive into my computer, I want to let you guys know about the giveaway that we're doing. I'm going to be giving away $25, and all I want to know is what was your biggest trading day? Comment that below, and I'm going to choose a winner next week. Also, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe below. Also, turn on the post notifications so you know when I'm going to be posting a video. And also, we're doing giveaways on every single video. And as well with that, make sure you follow your boy on Instagram. I'm always posting amazing content on my Instagram. I do giveaways on there as well. And if you just want to connect with me, definitely shoot me a DM. I respond to everyone who shoots me a DM. Also, my course is still 50% off if you guys want access to my top course that dropped less than a month ago. Link is in the description. And if you can't afford my course, that is fine. I still respect you. I appreciate you taking time to watch my videos. I developed a free course, and I also have a free group chat. There also is a link in the description. But guys, without further ado, let's get into my computer. Let's go.
I need a bust down bitch with a bust down wrist. Get to it, baby, suck this dick. Talking money, baby girl, let's get rich. Young boss, I can take no loss. To some else, so I know what it costs. Diamonds round my neck, so you know I love the flex. Getting money, always thinking what's next. Baby girl, come give me that neck. Run it up, so I can fuck it up.
Now you guys are probably talking shit. Colt, you're wearing the same shirt as the video that you did yesterday. Why is that? Guys, I record all my videos on one day, so that's why I'm wearing the same shirt. Don't give me too much shit. Look, I'm wearing a hat now, so I guess I switched it up a little, but let's dive into my computer. So, the 3 things that I look for during a trade, what I'm looking for first is obviously, I'm waiting for a session. I'm always trading when there is a session, and the reason as to why this is because when there isn't a session, there really isn't much going on in the markets. There isn't much movement going on. When it comes to trading, the sessions that I prefer are the morning sessions, the New York sessions, and that's just because it works with my time. And I'm in California. I do not like trading the London session because I don't want to stay up all night and go crazy. Like literally when I stay up all night, I go crazy. I'm cranking the next day, so it's not for me. So what I'm doing is the first thing that I'm looking for is the overall trend of the market. So when I'm doing this, I'm looking at like a higher time frame. I usually use an hour time frame. Okay, perfect. So I can see like we're in an uptrend. Perfect. So with me, I like to trade on lower time frames, like the minute 5, the minute 15 are my main time frames that I'm looking at. So let's go back down to the minute 5 time frame again. And I'm always looking for any signs of a reversal. Whether the market's in an uptrend, I want to be looking for a higher low. Because a lot of the time when we're in an uptrend, the market will form higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. So we can see right here that we have these higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So this would be a great example on what I'd be looking for, where I'd be getting an entry in this trend right here, because overall each higher high goes higher and higher. As you guys can see, higher high, higher high, higher high. Let's move this, and I'm gonna delete those real quick. So what I would do is I'd be looking for an entry right around here. So what I would do is I'd add my fibs from swing low to swing high. And the main levels that I'm looking for a retrace on the fibs are the 7.9, 7.05, and the 6.18. So once I saw price go to the 7.9 level right here and it closes the spinning top, I'm gonna highlight it so you guys can see. Price came to the 7.9, we closed as a spinning top right there, rejected the zone. That's where I would look to execute on a long position, okay? So I'd then delete my fibs because I already have confirmation for that zone right there. And I'd be like, perfect. So this is like live. I'd be looking at the markets live. This is most likely during the New York session when this was happening. And I'm like, perfect, we have a spinning top. It looks like the stochastics just crossed under as well. So I'm gonna go over all the little things that I'm looking for when I'm actually looking for a trade. So we have our spinning top, stochastics are crossing under right here. I'm gonna go for a long position. So let's replay. Let's pretend that this all didn't happen yet. Okay, I'm gonna set up my trade. Here's my entry. Stops we're gonna have below this wick right here on this candle. And then my take profit we're gonna have at the top of this zone right here. So we're risking 86 pips and we have a reward of 283 pips. So our risk reward ratio is above a 3-to-1 risk reward ratio, which is really good. That's what we wanna have at least for every single trade. And let's play it back now, okay? Boom, boom, right away, right after that spinning top, we rejected the 7-9 level on the fibs. We had a big burst of energy from the bulls. Once again came up, we're so close to our take profit. Boom, take profits were hit 283 pips in a matter of 15 minutes, which is pretty insane. So all we looked for is we saw our spinning top, stochastics cross under, we're already in an uptrend, we had a higher low right here. Boom, there's our 3 confirmations right there. So let's go over to a new example. Okay, let's exit out of this. Okay, now overall we are in an uptrend, but since we're on a lower time frame, the market's gonna kind of consolidate from an uptrend to a downtrend to an uptrend to a downtrend. So overall we hit this point of resistance right here and we started to go down. So this is a perfect time for us to set up our fibs again. Now when we're setting up our fibs, I'm usually waiting for it to hit a lower low and then that's when I'll set up the fibs. So right around here, I'm gonna set the replay bar right here. Once I saw the market start to act as support right here, this is when I would have drew up my fibs right here. So let's grab our fibs. We're gonna go from this wick to this wick right here, extend into the future. And then we're looking for a retrace to our key levels of 618, 705, and the 79, or even the 50%. But when I'm looking for a retrace and it to form a lower high, I'm looking for specific candles like a doji, spinning top, shooting star, anything that's gonna give me signs of reversal. Okay, so let's play it back. Boom. Okay, looks like we have a spinning top right there. This is where I would have executed a short position. So let's go right here, short. Stops, I'm gonna have my stops just to be safe at the 100% level. And then my TPs we're gonna have at the bottom of the zone right here. So this is a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. I just have my stops high because at this point in time, I don't know if the market's gonna come and retest these zones again. I'm not for sure. So let's see what happens. We play it out. Boom, right after we had that spinning top, it dropped, came down. Let's see if it will hit our take profits. Boom, take profits hit within a matter of 10 minutes. I'm telling you guys, this is all you need to do is look for those 3 confirmations. And a lot of the time, the best thing that you can do is just look at the market. When it's forming higher highs, then forms a higher low, that's when we want to look for a position to execute on. If it's forming a lower low, then a lower high, at the lower high, that's when we want to look for a position to execute on. Just like right here, we saw the lower high hit our 618, rejected it, closed below our 618, even our 50%, and then boom, dropped down below for a total of 118 pips. So obviously we had like a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio here. Sometimes our stop loss is gonna be bigger if you're not sure if it's done retesting our zones, because right here, the body of this candle closed blue, which is bullish. So it could have went up, hit these zones once more, and even right here, and then dropped. That's why I didn't for sure know what was gonna happen. That's why I had my stop loss at the 100% level right here. But hey, it ended up playing out perfectly. Spinning top, rejected our 618 50%, came back down, broke support at our 0% level, and hit our TPs right here. So guys, that's what I'm telling you guys. Look for those 3 confirmations. Good luck for the people that are involved in the giveaway. What was your biggest trading day? Comment that below, and I'll choose a winner a week from today. Good luck, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Peace out.